Hi, I'm Bradie from Sparrow Quilt Company. Today I am working on a really cute project. I've taken all my Tulip pinks, which are some of my favorites, and I am fussy cutting the great motifs that are on those fabrics. So you can see here I've already done one with a square that was on point, and for that I used my square ruler and the square template window. And this time I'm going to show you how the triangle works. So these rulers on the back have this non-slip, really grippy material, and when I lay it on there, it just grips whatever is under it and moves it effortlessly. This is the same fabric that is on the back side of the quilting hoops that you may have seen us do videos on before, and it's just magical. It just grabs whatever is under it and just moves it effortlessly. I honestly think of it like magic. But because that's so grippy and because it is solid, I cannot see well the motif underneath to make sure that it is placed correctly. So that's where this great template window comes in, where I can place that over my motif and it slides along without gripping and allows me to find just the right placement for where I'm going to cut. So I have arranged it here so that my little cute raccoon is just right in the center. And one thing that I have to remember is that my seam allowance is already in here, so I don't want to be too close to the raccoon's face. I'll end up cutting off their little nose when I do my stitching. So I want it to be low enough that my 1/4 inch is just going to come up under that wee face. Now that I have got it in place where I want it, and one other thing is I need to make sure that it is completely on fabric. I don't want there to be any area where I can see my cutting mat in the template window, because then there won't be enough fabric to complete that proper cut. Once we have that in place, I'm just going to hold the template window very still, and I'm going to bring my triangle over and set it in the center. Then I'll hold that ruler in place, and I'm just going to lift the fabric to move the template window out of the way. And now I can start my cutting. I'm going to start at a corner and I'm going to bring it back just a little bit to make sure that I do cut that corner really well, and then I'll make that cut. Now, because this ruler is so grippy, instead of going around to the other side of the table, I'm just going to turn the template and it moves the fabric very securely underneath, and it's still going to be nice and square. Now I'm going to do this side, and remembering to pull it towards myself first and then cut across. And the last cut, I'll just swing it around so that it's easier for me to reach it. I am going to do that third side now, get all this extra out of the way, and then just show you how nicely that fussy cut out my little raccoon. So if you think you might be interested in any of the fussy cutting rulers and template windows, check them out at sparrowquiltco.com or simply click the link above this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.